Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you've been following along with this on how to get rid of watermarks, it's even getting better. I either misunderstood the person that was telling me how to do something, or they suggested something else. So I'm going to get the freehand pick tool, and I'm going to pick this Amazing Grace, and then you can see the yellow watermarks. And then I'm going to nudge that up, and you can see the yellow colors in there. Well, I would have never really thought about this. And if you have watched the other videos, I would try to combine this and make them all black, and then I would have to go in and delete these lines on the interior. Well, their suggestion, and it works, just grab everything. I can't get the regular pick tool, and just weld it. Look at that. Now, if we look at it in hairline, all those little parts have been magically taken away. So that is super cool. And then, of course, you could do many of things. You could use the Smart Fill tool and Smart Fill that up and just move it up. And you have a good, clean image. And I just made this, and I'm going to share it. I cleaned it all up, and I'm going to share it on my Facebook page. I think I mentioned that in the other video. I've cleaned it all up, and it's a pretty cool design. I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching. And if you see that right there, the red box was actually blocking the Smart Fill tool. So we need to get that completely up. Just delete this one, and then use the Smart Fill tool. The Smart Fill tool will be stopped by lines, and that red box is a line. So when you make sure you do that, make sure you don't have any bitmaps, and then just take that and nudge it back down. And of course, always right click, no outline, so you don't have a hairline there. Anyway, so I thank that viewer very much. Hope that helped a little bit.